Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Royal Bank of Canada, RBC, review my Canadian banking experience. Royal Bank of Canada, RBC, offers a range of banking services targeting individuals, businesses, and investors in Canada. From everyday checking and savings accounts to mortgages, loans, and investment products, RBC aims to be a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Key features often include online and mobile banking, branch access, and various financial planning tools. Their website provides details on the various accounts and services available. RBC emphasizes convenient digital banking, a wide network of branches and ATMs across Canada, and personalized financial advice. They often promote competitive interest rates and various perks depending on the specific account or service. You can find information about specific fees on their site, but generally speaking, they're pretty upfront about their pricing structure. Availability is Canada-wide, and you can easily locate branches and ATMs using their online branch locator. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using RBC. I initially signed up for a checking and savings account online. The process was fairly straightforward, though verifying my identity took a couple of days. Once set up, I found the online banking platform quite intuitive. Navigating between accounts, paying bills, and transferring funds was a breeze. The mobile app was equally user-friendly, allowing me to deposit checks, manage my budget, and even set up alerts for account activity. Performance-wise, the app and online banking were generally reliable, although I did experience a brief outage once during a long weekend. I also used their investment tools to research some ETFs. The platform provided detailed information and charts, making it easy to compare different options. I had a quick question about international money transfers, and their support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how easy it was to set up automatic bill payments and the convenience of being able to deposit checks using my phone. One minor drawback was the lack of integration with some of the budgeting apps I use. It took me a little while to figure out how to customize the alerts to avoid getting notifications for every small transaction. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with RBC. While there are a few areas for improvement, they generally met my banking needs. That's my overview of Royal Bank of Canada, RBC. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.